G'day! The plant I have to show you today is quickly becoming a favourite of mine. Compared to other common Poa tussock grasses, Rustic Poa really stands out from the crowd. Its rustic foliage provides a unique colour contrast to other plants, which is even more enhanced by its seasonal changes. Its green toned foliage turns brown quicker than other Poas, yet it keeps living year after year provided it is cut back every year or every 2 years. Being 40% more compact than Eskdale Blue, the Rustic Poa is a great contrasting companion plant for low-cost Australian native grass gardens or landscapes. It benefits from a cutback due to the abundance of rustic compact foliage that gives this plant a distinct look. Many have tried Carex or Juncus sedges in Australia to achieve this rustic look, but they are just not as tough as Poa. The new Rustic Poa makes achieving a rustic look in gardens far easier. Being more compact is a big deal for Poa labillardieri. Although there are Poa siberiana that are smaller than Rustic Poa, these generally perform better at higher altitudes. Unless you reside in the mountains, Rustic Poa makes a far better choice as it has been tested to survive at low altitudes where Poa siberiana normally struggles except in colder climates. Rustic Poa is a stunning ornamental plant when grown in pots thanks to its very fine green leaves. If you want more green than brown, cut it back and enjoy its new growth. Otherwise, its lovable rustic appearance will come out. Its inflorescence adds to its appeal. This plant copes well in areas with frost, drought and minor humidity like Sydney, and it loves the southern parts of Australia. It also does well in most soil types.